Dom, what are you doing today, right now?
I'm going into VR.
Boys going into VR.
Am I supposed to take it?
Jacob's VR.
First. There's mighty machines. So get a feel for the headset being on first, and then we'll throw you in.
Is it weird?
It's not in on yet.
Oh,
Yeah,
right.
nothing's on yet. Sure. Yep. Okay.
What the fuck?
And Jacob, what are those things?
Knuckles controllers by Valve. Brand new. Came out about 2 weeks ago. Right, the Osmonds got them early.
They were like 250 quid, right?
I'm not going to flex them, but they weren't that much, yes. Literally, it's your first time ever using a VR headset.
Yeah, no problem.
Put it over your eyes.
Holy shit.
Okay, right. Now, is it tight enough on your head?
It's a little bit loose. I feel like.
You look at the wall in front of you, can you see like...
And the sensors are there.
Yeah.
Oh wow, he can see the
Yeah,
sensor.
it's like-
What the hell? That's so weird how you can see it, but it's not like you
Oh,
can't.
look at the controllers.
Josh, you want to see?
Oh my god!
You can see on the...
Oh my god, I can see on there.
Right, so...
Yo.
There's a laser.
Let me... can you look towards this way?
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is honestly nuts. Alright, let me get. Alright.
Oh wait, see.
He can't see me, can he? Yeah.
This is the bit that blows everyone's mind.
Oh, hello there!
Grab that controller.
Oh, fuck.
I
I can't believe you've done this.
He's technically blind.
Wait, he just did it with his left
Yeah.
hand.
He's technically blind, so you want to make sure your thumb can see there.
That's his right hand though.
Here. On a net.
Oh right.
So, how's that feel? Right, now put this one on. And you see, he's grabbing the controller while he can't see.
I can't see the finger.
Right, can your thumb hit that? Right, cool, you're in. So, now, if you look at the controllers,
Yeah.
Oh my god, I can touch you, but you don't even know.
so move forward a little bit.
Oh, you don't even know where you are. That's
Oh,
the thing.
yeah.
Oh, there's a bed right there.
Yeah, that's just...
Oh, good.
That is the mattress.
So the rule is, the bed is where you want to keep kind of have your feet on all the time, because then you're central. So, look at the controller. Now, they see next to the A and B buttons, there's
Yeah.
a tiny little dot which you can press.
Yeah.
Little button.
Yeah.
Just next to the, yeah. So press that little button. There you
Oh,
go.
shit,
Now
yeah.
go to Steam.
What now?
Yep, press trigger.
This
Then
is
you
what.
see where it says Aperture Hand Lab. That, press play in VR. And he's in.
You're in, Dom. You're in VR right now. Don't dance too much. You'll fucking come through the.
Oh, hello. What the fuck, man?
So now, Jacob, can you control it while he's playing?
No.
Oh right.
I have no power over what he does and doesn't do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa, what the fuck?
So,
Robot detected.
This is fucking
Welcome, robot test subject, to the Aperture Science Unit for the You will not be told the purpose of your test today. We will not be told why you are performing them.
What the hell? You can literally just do that.
it tracks your fingers.
Why anyone is
What
doing
the
it.
hell?
For the purpose of this class,
Nah.
claws have been replaced with
Hands.
please raise your
Hands.
up to your
Neck-mounted weapons platform.
which for the purpose of this exercise has been replaced with a
Face.
good. Please exit the elevator.
He's trying to walk forwards!
Wait, what?
You're trying to walk forwards.
Use your controller,
Open elevator doors.
How long?
the toggle. I'm pretty sure, right?
Yeah, there
Exit
you
the
go.
elevator through the only available
Then let go.
opening that you can possibly exit. This opening is placed directly in front. You are now ready to begin the hand-assisted, non-verbal machine-human communication training.
You can
Please
move
approach
forward
the
a little
training
bit.
platform.
And then teleport forward a tiny bit.
Please approach the platform.
There you go.
Good. Deploying first exercise.
What is that?
Hello, I am Bray, a friendly human. I like you, so I am waving to you. To consummate this wave exchange, raise your hand. Open it, then swing it gently from side to side. That is waving. It means you like me, like I would.
Deploying next exercise.
Yo, I'm scared.
Here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna shake my fist, this fist, at you. And there's not a thing you're gonna do about it. Shake, 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 shake. Oh, now
did it, didn't you? Well, guess what, poor chum? Just when you think you got the answers, I change the questions. Don't you. You. No, not you. I was talking to your hands. They're the only ones in this room that have any sense. Not shaking back. They know what'll happen.
Don't shake back!
I was looking
Next
at that.
exercise.
No.
No, that's the PC. You just hit his PC.
Who you murdered? After I only wanted to be your
Move forward a little bit, Dom.
I clawed my way out of that pit of despair with a singular purpose, to come face to face with you once more, and finally... You think Frank is bluffing? That was merely a demonstration. Do not make me demonstrate again, because now Frank has some sense of how this gun works, and the next time I will not accidentally miss you. Now, pull open the drawer to your right, and remove the envelope inside. Frank intends good. Now reach into the drawer. Good. Now tear the envelope open. You cannot reveal the envelopes. Inside the envelope is a very, very, almost absurdly large key. Do not let its comical good. Now free me, or so help me, I will. Oh, who is friendly
Where's
Frank
the key
kidding?
at?
No more guns. I am asking you, as a friend, please, free me. Friendly Frank. Your friend.
Where?
Place the key in the hole labeled Core Escape to complete Core Escape sequence. Or place the key in the hole labeled Destroy Core to destroy the core.
Friendly Frank was unaware that core destruction was an option, and is beginning to regret holding you at gunpoint.
Oh.
This is fun.
Good. And now...
That's so weird how I know.
You know exactly where it is.
Yeah, it's mad.
Can I pull that, yeah?
Yeah, pull it as tight as it will go.
Oh, right, yeah.
There you go. And the other one. There you go. Right, so...
Wait, I will shoot you. You, right there.
You're pointing at... Right, ready?
You're filming.
Wait, so I can't see the... Oh, boundaries now. Oh, I see you.
Yeah, so there's something a bit close. So look towards this
Yeah,
way.
look.
Look this way. Yeah.
Keep looking.
Nothing
Yeah,
there.
can you see the sensor?
Give it,
Oh,
give
yeah,
it a second.
sensor, arrow,
Give it a second to load.
screen. Whoa, something's happening. Are we doing this thing again?
Yeah.
Detected.
You can have
Welcome, robot test
I'm not even
to
doing
the
it.
Aperture Science for the
Word deleted.
you will not be told the purpose of your test
Oh, I
today.
get it.
We will not
Yeah.
be told
Why is
what
that
you are
sticking up?
performing.
My finger's not even
Preserve
up.
the integrity of
Give
this
it-
triple
give it a
blind
second to
study.
calibrate.
No one involved will have any idea why anyone
You've got
is
big
doing
hands.
anything.
There you go.
For the purpose of this classified exercise, your
Barbed meat
Why does it do that?
Boss
It's
have been
automatic.
replaced with up to your
Net-mounted weapons platform.
which for the purpose of this exercise has been replaced with a
Face.
good.
Right, should be a bit better.
Please exit the elevator.
They're tracking correctly or not?
Exit the elevator
You've
through
got
the
big
open
hands.
elevator doors.
Maybe that's what it is.
You do have big hands.
Exit the elevator through the
So if
only
I-
available opening that you could possibly exit from. This opening has been conveniently
okay.
placed
Okay.
directly in front of you.
Yeah. Hello.
You have
What do I
not
do?
moved
So
forward,
use the thumb
which
stick
is
to
a
teleport.
necessary component of this exercise.
Oh, right.
Now starting back achieving excellence while standing in an elevator. Good. You are now ready
Oh, wow, I'm
to begin
really in the bed,
hand-assisted
right?
non-verbal
Yeah,
machine
that's the bed.
human communication training.
Don't go any more forward.
Approach the training platform.
Yeet. Oh, right.
Please approach the platform. Good.
So look,
Whoa! Can you get away, please?
you gotta stand there.
Oh, I'm actually really...
Hello, I am Frank, a friendly human. I like you, so I am waving to you. To consummate this wave exchange, raise your hand. Open it, then swing it gently from side to side.
You can let go of the
That is
controller,
waving.
remember?
It means you like me,
What?
like
You can
I
let go of
like
the
you,
controllers.
which I am demonstrating by waving.
Just let go of the controllers. Let go of the controllers. There you go.
Oh! Whoa! I completely
Wave
forgot.
on. Do not attempt to approach me, or I will kill
Wait,
you.
what? I can't.
Good.
Remember,
We are now
the
bonded
trigger
in
is
eternal
your thumb
friendship.
finger.
Deploying next
Those things
exercise.
always. This is also a tracker.
gonna shake my fist, this fist, at you. And there's not a thing you're gonna do about it. Shake, 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 shake. You don't get. Now you went and did it, didn't you?
What is
That's
that?
my poor job.
I can't help it.
You got the answers.
Stop, mate.
I changed
Stop.
the questions. Dosey, 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 dosey.
Josh, you keep moving your index fingers down. There you go.
Hands down by your head.
Right, John.
Oh, and the voice crack.
What am I meant to be doing?
Good. Deploying next exercise.
The thing is right. It's not even real.
Does it feel pretty real though?
It does. It does.
Friendly friend, who you murdered after I only wanted to be your friend. I clawed my way out of that pit of despair with a singular purpose, to come face to face with you once more and finally exact more.
Why is it doing that?
Now, give me
These are your big
5.
hands. Oh, that's how tight you're gripping the controllers.
Give me 5. 5 representing the forefingers and 1 thumb on your dominant hand. Flattened out and thrust forcibly, but not good. Now, up high. Good. Now,
Why are you
now,
boxing?
4 series high-five panel. Down low.
How much do you want me to record? I've got 4
I
minutes.
got you there, mate. You shut the fudge up, alright?
I have deceived you. Did you really think Friendly Frank survived that fall? He's dead. You killed him. No, I accepted dead. Or is it Kevin? If not, what is it? I propose a game of deceit. It is a game as old as hands. A gripping trial of handly cunning called rock, paper, scissors.
I will hurt.
Are you ready to be deceived? No? Good. On 3. Ready?
Oh, right.
1, 2, 3.
Wait, this is Josh.
And nothing.
I didn't mean to do
This
that.
deception is going to go a lot smoother if you participate. Let's just try this again. On 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wait!
You're more clever than I thought. You win. Let's go again. Best 2 out of 3. Ready? 1,
Go rock.
2, 3. Rock versus rock. Oh, double deception. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I won again.
Rock. Yes, I definitely mean rock. I win. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Paper and paper. It seems we have deceived ourselves to a stalemate. Ready?
Where are my feet?
1, 2, 3. I won! I won! Master of deception.
Good. Deploying next exercise.
Been hearing a lot of good things about your hands back at the head office. VP of Sales Ted Baker said,
Bill, you gotta fly down there and you gotta see these hands. And I said, Ted, you're lying and you're fired.
but then I thought, if
Who
Ted
is that?
was willing to get fired over these hands,
Careful after
maybe I better
food.
check out
Yeah,
my
be
process.
careful. So here I am. Let's see him, hotshot. Hold him up.
Those are impressive.
Oh shit! I'm sorry. I completely forgot.
careful. That's right. You heard me correctly.
I've
You
seen
should have seen it on the screen. Do that again, Josh.
Gripping and shake. Yep. That right there, that was great. If I asked you to gently caress my hand. How about this? You give me a real handshake. A nice, firm, strong handshake.
I'm good at that.
Really squeeze it. I can take it. You shake that hand. Strong as you like. Good. How people...
On the bed!
Look down.
I'm not looking down because I'm afraid of heights, so that's not happening. This isn't why I really need to
Yeah, because it's going through your legs right now.
Can I move it?
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, that's that beat right there.
Hello, friend. All I ever wanted was your friendship. But instead you threw me away into a bottomless pit. And at the bottom of that pit, among these discarded robots, I found something even better than your friendship. This gun. Now you have no choice but to be my friend. And as your friend, I want to ask you one last friendly favor. Free me, or I will shoot you.
Pissing all over.
Like pissed on your fucking wife.
Make me demonstrate again, because now Frank has some sense of how this gun works, and the next time I will not accidentally miss you. Now, pull open the drawer to your right and remove the envelope inside. Frank intends to get busy living, or get busy shooting you. Good. Now reach into the drawer and grab good. Now tear the envelope open.
This is so cool, by the way. Tear at the top.
You cannot reveal the envelope's contents until you have torn it open.
Yeah, I'm just looking at it.
This is just how envelopes work. My hands are tied.
From the bit that says Ted.
If you happen to be a member of the press who is also in charge of your website's best game of the year,
well, I open it. Put it back.
I don't want to open it. It's fucking wrong, mate.
Award-winning Frank. Tear open the envelope. Inside the envelope is a very, almost absurdly large key. Do not let its comical appearance deceive you. Its purpose is to
Get open the envelope again. Just get another envelope out.
remove the key from the envelope.
Get another one, Josh. You don't want that one.
The key from the envelope.
You don't want that one, Josh.
You keep dropping it, mate, and you can't even blame the controllers because you are just dropping that.
Nah, you don't want that one either.
What the fuck?
Let go of let go of the paper. There you go.
Good. Now free me, or so help me Oh, who is friendly Frank kidding? No more guns. I am asking you, as a friend.
Well, it's gone great.
Free me. Friendly Frank. Your friend.
Place the key in the hole to complete the sequence. Or place the key in the hole.
Go get another envelope.
Oh my god.
To destroy the core.
Oh, he doesn't see them, man.
Was unaware that core destruction was an option.
You can let go of the Josh. You can let go of the controllers.
Place the key in the hole labeled Core Escape.
It's so weird not to be that like.
Or place the key in the
Oh, I've got the
hole
key.
labeled
Yeah.
Destroy Core.
Put it in one of the holes.
I want to eat
Put it in
it.
destroy it. Put it in destroy
Look at
it.
this.
Probably committed
Josh,
crimes.
go destroy core because we haven't seen that one.
What the fuck?
Wants to reiterate how sorry he is for holding you in
I honestly can't help it.
My only crime is wanting freedom and aggravated menacing.
Destroy core.
You're gonna die, mate.
Warning. Key turning hesitation detected. In the event that a core is pleading with you
I
not to
can't
kill
Please
you,
don't kill me.
please remember that this core is attempting to walk out with expensive office equipment that does not belong to him. Also, since you are his best friend, by law you will be held responsible for his actions. Good. And now we can tell you the purpose of this triple blind test.
Oh, good.
Discovering the value of friendship.
You have got to be kidding me. That is not even science.
And by choosing to save yourself, it's
Oh, I'm actually lost now in the room because I feel like that's something there. So.
Tough but fair.
test concluded. Deactivating placing all robot participants in sleep mode. Thank you for your participation.
Wait, what? Hello there.
Yeah, it's the same ending.
Ah, that's dead.
Just for science. I'm glad I panned around to see that.
Are you in sleep mode? Friendly Frank is not.
Okay, but don't go too
How long
far.
do robots live? I suspect it might be a very
Look, when I do
long
this,
time.
it doesn't